Lesson 10-13, Congruent and Similar Polygons. By the end of today's lesson, you will be able to identify congruent and similar polygons and their corresponding parts. Make sure you have your pencil and paper ready so you can work right along with me. Congruent polygons have exactly the same size and same shape. Similar polygons have the same shape, but they may or may not have the same or be the same size. If the corresponding parts, which are the matching sides and matching angles of a congruent polygon, our polygons are congruent, then they're congruent. So here we have ML is congruent to DF, LK is congruent to FK, KZ is congruent to HJ, and ZM is congruent to JD. So those sides are congruent. So then we see over here, all of the angles are also congruent. Each of the angles is congruent to the other one. So we have polygon MLKZ is congruent to DFHJ. Here we have the corresponding angles, or the matching angles, of similar polygons are congruent. So right here we have 26 degrees as well as 26. This one's 36 degrees, so is this one. Then we have 118 degrees here. So these corresponding angles, those are congruent. These are similar polygons though because this one is much larger. This sign here means is similar to that little like squiggle that you put on the top of congruent. Right here, congruent to is the equal plus the squiggle. Similar is just the squiggle. So triangle PQR is similar to STU. They have the same angles, but their sizes are different. So remember, in order for shapes to be congruent, all of their sides and all of their angles need to be exactly the same. Otherwise, they're just similar figures. So make sure you have the differences between those two terms written down in your notes before heading off to do today's assignment.